Okay, so welcome to the fraud detection meetup organized by Data Science Milan together with Buildo. So quick question, how many of you is the first time you attend an event of Data Science Milan? Alright, so half of the audience, new members. Great, so I'll tell you briefly what Data Science Milan is and what we do. It's a community that started in February 2016. Nowadays it counts around 800 or I think more, like 900 members. There are 9 people in the organization staff that I'll just introduce you. And what we do is essentially we meet once a month. This is the staff. So those are the people that actually, I just put the face, but actually the guys organizing the events are all of them. You can find essentially in the sofa over there. So we have a mission that is we want to become, we actually are at the moment the pioneer community of data science in Milan and North Italy. It's the only group that actually is a technical group that has frequent meetups. Every month we have a different topic that we cover. We work around together with professionals, companies, startups, associations, universities. So this is one format of event, but we do a lot of things, and we are open to any sort of proposal. We try to accommodate every request from any individual in what we call the Data Science Society. For example, one thing that we're doing, it's experimental, but you can already join, is a social network dedicated for machine intelligence practitioners. I'll talk about that later. So this is our website, datasciencemilan.org. Everything will be published, and it is published about past events. You can find any sort of information in our website. Our journalists keep it up to date with new news and blogs. You'll find previous events, all the recordings. So at the moment we are on YouTube. You'll find all the previous recordings, slides, any content. This is the calendar of upcoming events. We will have another event on the 15th of March about data governance. This is part of the Digital Week, Milan Digital Week. Then we will have an event about reinforcement learning, and we're still planning for computer vision, operational research, and natural language processing. So if you like to know more, or you want to, I don't know, present, want to be one of our presenters, then speak with one member of staff. This is really important. So the monthly digest is a newsletter. It's not a spam. It's actually relevant news about the community and everything that's happening in Italy, Milan and Italy. You'll find discounts, promotions, announcements. It's really interesting. Go on digest.datasciencemilan.org. We'll only send you an email once a month, promise. If you attended our previous events, you recognize that we don't have a fixed host, but we move around. We want to bring data science everywhere. So if your company or your organization, or you have a venue and you like to host one of our events, like Buildo did tonight, then yeah, you're very welcome. So please do so. This is a call for speaker. You can always send your application. Doesn't have to be formal. It's not a conference. Just drop a few lines or just speak directly with us. We'll try to accommodate every request of whoever wants to present something, as long as it's relevant and it is of the right level, technical level, and we tend to balance between very hard technical talks and more high-level ones. So we'll find a place for you. Wallboard. This is a wallboard for announcements. So remember, if you have any message you like to communicate to the community, then speak with us, and then we'll add it in the next event, in the next wallboard. Okay. For today, I would like to introduce you the Machine Intelligence Hub. You can go to machineintelligencehub.com. You can request to join. It's a deep interest network for practitioners, communities, plural, and organizations that where they can advance machine intelligence thoughtfully. This is our mission. What does it mean? It's a multi-device platform you can use on your phone, on your laptop. Looks like a mix of Facebook and LinkedIn, but it is a dedicated platform for where you can stay up to date with all the latest industry news, asking questions, sharing knowledge, discuss ideas, get feedbacks, and you can connect with all of the other peers. At the moment, it's mainly people from Milan and the Science Milan community, because it's the first group within that social network, but it will soon be extended with probably Europe, and then we'll get to US. So strongly recommend you to go. You can follow this link that you'll receive this invitation after the event, or just go on the website, and when you request to join, just say, they ask you which community you're from, and then just say the Science Milan, and then 1 day, maximum 2 days, you'll be in. All right. So what we do, it's possible, it's sustainable thanks to our sponsors. So first of all, I would like to thank Buildo. Buildo that gave us they hosted us tonight and gave us the opportunity to meet for the February event. We hope to have a series of events that we'll organize here in Buildo. It's just the first, hopefully, of a long series. This is our exclusive sponsor. It's an open search network. It's a recruiting firm specialized in digital and data experts. At the moment, there are few openings ranging from machine learning engineers, chatbots, data scientists, data engineers. So come speak with me, one member of staff. I will link you to open search network and the employers behind these openings. And really important, if you would like to know more about sponsorship opportunities, there are many ways we can collaborate, starting from hosting an event to more long-term partnerships where you can get promotion and you can access all our channels. There are a lot of benefits of being a sponsor of the community. So if you want to know more, then speak with me. We're looking for this is our goal for this year, finding sponsors in any industry, because we want to be representative of the whole data science industry. So reserve your spot. This is the agenda. We'll start with tech talks, and there will be a short aperitivo, and then we plan to leave the venue by 9. Okay. So just before before the talk starts, those are our channels, our social channels. Then remember, we need you to support us, or we need to spread the word what we do here. So please, feel free to share pictures and tags, comments, whatever. These are our channels. You'll find us. Thank you very much, and enjoy the event.